Right, what we're doing today? Today we're making a tuna and chickpea burger. Got some nice brioche buns. Let's get a toast on these dry pan. Just going to drain these. Smell delicious. Put these in my thing. Right, canned tuna in some sunflower oil. Lovely. Now hold on. Okay, that brioche is toasted nicely straight away, so you can take that off the heat. And I'm just going to drain my tuna. Normally I would save this oil, but I just don't have time to do that today. Okay, I'm just going to place my chickpeas on my board. You can obviously put these in the food processor, you can put them in a pestle and mortar, you can crush them with a masher, but I like a bit of texture with mine, so I am going to mash these up with my knife. So I'm just going to literally just run my knife through them. Okay, so let's go and add these chickpeas to our tuna. So 1 can of tuna, 1 can of chickpeas. Chickpeas make awesome veggie burgers as well, so this makes a great veggie burger. Just leave out the tuna. Chickpeas and tuna are done. Need some green peppers, so finely sliced. Wonderful, straight in to my bowl, and that green pepper is going to give us some freshness. Let's get everything in. Need some herbs, so I'm going to go in with some fresh parsley. Straight in. I'm going to put in a handful of kale. You don't need to put as many ingredients as I am, but I've just got a bunch of stuff in the fridge which I want to get rid of. Straight in. Finally, I want some capers. Tuna and capers, match made in heaven. Any seafood really. And this is just going to be sharp and acidic. I'm just going to slice these up into a little bit of a mush. Beautiful. Okay, so now we need a generous hit of pepper, generous hit of salt. We're going to stir everything together and combine all of our ingredients. Right guys, this is how your finished mixture should look. Perfectly vibrant and delicious. Let's make our burgers. Okay, so we've got 1 egg and we've got some Ritz crackers. Jacob's, actually they're not Ritz, they're Jacob's crackers going in. And with these, we're literally just going to break these up in our hands like this, just to create these little breadcrumbs, and these are going to add a bit of flavour, a little bit of texture, and they're going to tighten up this mixture for us. Okay, let's give this a nice little stir in, and then this will just tighten everything up so that we can make this into a nice burger patty. Okay, let's crack in 1 egg. Could use my hands right now, but just do it with a spoon for now. And straight away you can feel it's tightened up, just with the addition of breadcrumbs and an egg. Right, we've got this ramekin here. I have actually got a burger press, I just don't like using it. This ramekin does the job for me. Just going to seal it with a bit of cling film. And with our mould, pack it out. down. Okay, yeah, we're looking good, we're looking good. Let's get the heat on this pan. Now ideally I would like to give this half an hour in the fridge just to firm up, but we don't have half an hour and I'm hungry. So this is going straight in and it should be fine. Right, let's get that pan on a nice medium temperature, which is fine. And we are going to go straight in, looking good. And just keep that at medium temperature, nothing too aggressive. Just going to tap it with the back of my knife. Brilliant. Let's get our brioche over. Lovely. Okay, going to keep this really simple. There's a lot going on with the burger, so you just need a bit of mayo, touch of pepper, and yep, you guessed it, some Enco and a hot pepper sauce live on this stuff. Just a cup of it, and when you mix the hot sauce with the mayo, it just cools it down. You just get that beautiful chili flavour without too much heat. Right, this smells amazing. Chickpeas in burgers are amazing anyway. The tuna, the capers, the green peppers, the parsley, the kale, and it's just salt and pepper for seasoning. It smells amazing. No garlic, which I normally put garlic in everything. No garlic. Okay, give this a flip. Wonderful. Now we're talking. Look at that. Right guys, we just flipped this beautiful burger now. Just take a look at that beautiful chickpea and tuna burger with kale, onion, green pepper and parsley, and with capers. This looks outstanding. Can't wait to get stuck into this. Beautiful. Okay, let's go on with 2 slices of cheese. Reduce the heat slightly, I think. Wonderful. We are looking good. And I don't want that cheese to melt too much. If I wanted to melt it, I would put it under the grill or just cover this with a bit and steam it with a bit of water. But I don't mind that cheddar just sitting firm on that bread, on that burger. It's fine with me. Outstanding. Look at that. Beautiful. They love it when the burger's bigger than the bread. Have it. This is my tuna and chickpea burger with capers. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Sexy burger. Gonna get stuck into this. This makes a great lunch, a great dinner. Beautiful. Kids will love it. Adults will love it. Sexy as hell. All happy with that? Right, let's get stuck in. Right, time for the taste test. Let's give this a little slice, shall we? Beautiful. Look at that. Wonderful. Smells outstanding. That brioche just looks beautiful. So chickpeas, tuna and capers. That's the combo. Beautiful. And the hot sauce was a nice touch. Beautiful. It's a really good way to eat. So I'll have this for the next few days now. You think I'm wasting any of this? No chance.